In the heart of every classroom lies a beacon of hope, a guiding light amidst the chaos. Teachers, you are the architects of tomorrow, the custodians of dreams yet to be realized. There are days when the weight of the world seems to rest upon your shoulders, days when the lesson plans falter, and the chaos threatens to overwhelm. But remember this: in the face of adversity, you stand unyielding. For every tear shed in frustration, there is a smile waiting to bloom. For every setback encountered, there is a triumph yet to be achieved. You are not just educators, you are beacons of hope, illuminating the path to a brighter future. Even when the day feels never-ending and the challenges seem insurmountable, remember the profound impact you have on each young mind entrusted to your care. Your dedication, your passion, they shape the world in ways both seen and unseen. You may not always see the fruits of your labor immediately, but know that every lesson taught, every word spoken, leaves an indelible mark upon the hearts and minds of those you teach. Your influence extends far beyond the walls of the classroom. So to every teacher facing adversity, to every educator persevering in the face of uncertainty, remember this: you are not alone. Your dedication, your resilience, they inspire countless souls to reach for the stars. And though the road may be long and arduous, never forget the profound truth that each teacher makes a difference.